Have you ever faced a problem that when you try to use your Zoom for free and the meeting just shuts down and you are not able to use the same link to connect to your meeting and you have to create a new meeting and send new links to those meetings every time? So, guys, I'm here to help you with this situation. So, if you have your free Zoom account and you do not want to pay for all those fancy all those fancy features of Zoom Pro, here is what you can do to connect to the same meeting every time with the same link. You just need one link, and this is what you need. So first of all, you're gonna go to your schedule menu right there, and you're gonna schedule a conference. So for example, let's hit from 3 p.m. up to, I don't know, let's just have 2 hours, so up to 5 p.m. And you just hit the save button. So once it's done, your turn. You are forwarded to this notification window. We do not actually need it. And right now, as you can see, we already have our meeting planned. And the good thing is that before it started, you can actually The good thing, before it is actually started, you can hit this copy invitation button and you can send the link to any of your friends or colleagues or whatever people you would like to have on your meeting. And the good thing is that you can send this link, and once your free period of this conference ends, you just end this conference and start it again, and the same link will transfer people to your conference or to your meeting. So this is a very useful tool, and you do not need to constantly send new links to new meetings. You just start the same meeting every time, and people just use the same link to connect to it. So I hope that you guys will find this feature to be useful. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments what kind of Zoom tricks or maybe some other tips you would like us to review in our next videos. So see you guys next time.